I made my first 1,000 online using only free AI tools. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, it all started when I decided to cut costs and simplify my workflow. Let me take you back to the beginning of my journey, where I was spending over $500 a month on various software subscriptions. It was a hefty price tag for a beginner like me who was just diving into the online world. 30 seconds into my research, I stumbled upon an AI tool called ChatGPT by OpenAI. This tool was a game changer. It helped me create content efficiently, saving me $50 a month that I would have otherwise spent on freelance writers. If you're looking to cut down on content creation costs, this tool is your friend. Another 30 seconds and I found Grammarly. Its free version was perfect for making sure my content was clear and professional. Previously, I spent $30 a month on editing software, but Grammarly swooped in and saved the day, and my wallet. Now, let's talk design. Canva's free version replaced my need for costly design software. I used to shell out $100 a month for design tools, but Canva offered me stunning graphics and templates without the price tag. Next on my list was Google Analytics. Believe it or not, it replaced a $200 a month analytics software. It offered valuable insights into my audience, helping me tailor content to boost engagement. And guess what? It's free. If you're managing emails, MailChimp's free plan can suffice for beginners. I saved another $50 here. It's intuitive, and it allowed me to grow my subscriber list without a hitch. Finally, for project management, I turned to Trello. This tool helped me organize tasks seamlessly, without the $70 monthly cost of my previous software. So there you have it, in just under 7 minutes, we've slashed over $500 a month from software expenses using only free AI tools. Each tool had a significant impact, helping me earn my first $1,000 online completely free. Try these tools yourself and see how they can transform your financial journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to save on software expenses. Let's create success stories together with free AI tools.